If you are present, you got no problems. 99.9% of your problems disappear because all of your problems are all related to the past or to the future. Most of them in the future. You're trying to solve something for not being in a problem place, in a problem situation, in a bad situation in the future. And so, if you are present, you just keep the focus on now, nothing. There's no problem, man. There's no problem. How I noticed that was, I'm going to get my wisdom teeth took off. I'm just going to take them off. I know how it's called in English, anyway. And so it's been a while since I've been in the hospital. I don't think I've ever been in the hospital, like for an operation. But it's been a while since I've been outside of my comfort zone in social situation, especially related to health. And I was in my head trying to plan to be able to work while in pain, to be able to still be productive because I'm going to be late on my deadlines, and that really pisses me off. Just thinking about it right now, I just don't feel good. But when I start noticing, I was getting in my head, oh my God, I'm stressing out right now. How I'm going to do this? I'm trying to plan a lot of things and figure out a way to be eating a lot of food. Just I tried to make some milkshake, and it tasted just like disgusting. It was disgusting, honestly. I mixed some cucumbers with salad, watermelon, and protein shake, and oh my, it was a mess, a real mess. And yet, it was all because I was in my head stuck in the future. I was not present. Now maybe you're gonna say, hey, you need to plan, man. It's true, you gotta plan, but not that much. I was too much focused on the future, and so I was not getting anything done right now. Be present. And a great book to be able to take the time to be present, The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. Great book, can't recommend it enough. Yeah, go read that book. I think it's free on the internet in English. So yeah, hey, don't waste that opportunity to read this book. Really, really worth it. Go read it. It's going to tell you exactly how to be present. Like and subscribe to this video if you liked the video. If you want to be a part of the great community on YouTube, hey, subscribe. That's it.